Oh my god. There's crap flying everywhere. We're back. Next day.
Part 2.
Part 2. So the solenoid yesterday we realized was bad. That's why the starter wasn't working. Pulled the starter out. Starter looks pretty good. So got another starter solenoid. Gonna slap in there, and then it should be able to start with the key. And then once we do that, we'll empty all the ATF out of the cylinders that we put in there yesterday. And then I got some carb cleaner, see if it'll pop. But then we got a cool tool that we can check spark with and see if it's getting spark. If it's not, then we'll show you how to do points and condenser and all that joint. And then if that works, which hopefully it does, because this engine was apparently rebuilt at some point, then it should fire up and it'll be easy. So I'm gonna swap this in now and that'll be it. Alright, put our new starter solenoid in, and it does not solve the problem.
Yeah.
So it's either this solenoid is bad, which I kind of doubt, or it's something with the key. Maybe the ignition switch inside the key is bad or something. I don't know, but so we're just gonna do it the old-fashioned way, and we'll make it work. So anyway, we'll move on to trying to test for spark. So that got me this awesome tool that whenever the distributor spins around and sends spark to the spark plug, you plug this into the plug, and then you plug the plug from the distributor into this, so it's like a wire in line, and then whenever that sends spark to the plug, this will light up and it'll let you know that you're getting spark. So this is a lot easier than sticking a screwdriver in there and electrocuting yourself, or pulling the plug out and trying to get it on a good ground and stuff. So anyway, we're gonna see here. We're gonna try to turn it over and see if it gets spark. So, and if it doesn't, then we gotta go mess with all the other stuff. So let's see if it gets spark.
Yeah.
Nothing. So either Pat got me a faulty
Easy on that.
or not getting spark. So
Okay. Right now, Cade's trying not to
stuff on anything.
make a hole in that fender.
Yeah, it's a little soft.
Yeah.
It's fine.
This side's a little bit better, actually, in some places. Dude, that thing is flexing.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little thin. Look at that Swiss cheese.
Yeah.
Pop the distributor cap off, which is really easy with this Ford motor with the distributor in the back. Well, let me unhook the battery. Mines look pretty freaking good, to be honest. Like, they look newish. Alright, so this is your rotor. When the foil gets energized, it sends power to the distributor cap, and then there's a little metal piece contact, yeah, in the top of the distributor, and then that rides on this, which is really bent. Could be.
Oh, yeah, that looks good.
And then this guy spins around, and there's 8 other contacts, and then whenever it hits this wire, it shoots it to the plug and pop. But because it can't just shoot it randomly. And there's a bunch of lobes on your shaft for your distributor, and the point's got to run up and down to 8 times, so it goes on and off, so it doesn't just constantly like shoot spark. Anyway, sometimes, most of the time, these stupid points feel bad, or they come out of adjustment, and they're either fully on or too far apart. And most of the time, there's this plastic nub on it, and it always wears down. Usually they ended up just like, the points end up, instead of going like that, they end up just like resting on top of each other, and they get corroded and burn out. You gotta replace them. But these ones look like they've been replaced before. Well, they look shiny, but you never know. So these are the points, and this gets power.
Those actually do look pretty good.
They look pretty new. The points, usually this is the nub that gets worn down. This rides on the lobe of the cam, and every time the engine rotates, the cam lobe rotates and opens it like that, and it goes like that.
The lobe on the distributor shaft, not the camshaft.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. The cam lobe on the distributor shaft. Yes. It rotates, pushes this up, and sends power from there to the plug wire. Anyway, so say this is your battery, and it's sending power through here, and you have to send it to the rest of your distributor. If the voltage is coming through here and this is lifted off, it won't do anything. But once it touches, it should make contact and complete the circuit. So that's what's essentially happening. Was it was so corroded in there that it couldn't make a full circuit, and it wasn't getting any spark. So that's probably our issue. So we're gonna toss it back in and try it again. All right. Oh wait, here. Let me recap. Here, let me turn the light on. Yeah. All right. So we got our point set, and
Gapped.
we got them gapped, and we tested our light. I should probably do that so you can see it. But anyway, the light lit up. I should do that.
No, they understand.
Pat's getting tired.
It's midnight.
Yeah, it's a little late. So anyway,
Work today.
yeah. So anyway, got the points gap, got it back installed, and we're gonna try it for the first time. We're getting spark at the plug, so keys on. Our ignition still isn't working, but we can use the thing to jump the starter solenoid here. And let me grab some starter fluid, and Pat's gonna crank it. And
Really not light on fire.
hold on, and then I'm gonna set you here.
All right, ready? Ah, that's good. And oh, come on! Oh my God! There's crap flying everywhere, but there she runs. Good old for.
Yep, fired up a little bit.
Pretty good actually.
Yeah.
It's not like rod. I mean, it only ran for like
Yeah,
a
no
second,
rod knocking.
But it's not like do.
Yeah. So it sputtered a little bit. Let's try it one more time here.
Yeah, you gotta really maybe you just feed her the fuel a little bit. Ready?
Oh.
Dude, there's so much crap flying around. All the mouse turds.
First run and fire in 20 years.
At least 20 years.
From sitting in the woods, pulled it out of the woods, back to life, kind of. We'll get a longer running in a few minutes, but we finally got it. Spark, compression,
No idea if it's all set.
electronics.
All 8. It might be. I don't know. We were testing this wire earlier, and there was no bulb lighting.
Yeah.
Up. We moved it just in case if the wire is bad and it lit up over there. So.
Yeah, it definitely probably would need plugs, wires, cap and rotor and everything, but
sure, a rad shoots
just to see if it had compression and the motor was good. But it sounds like it will probably run. So Next, we'll fill up the bowl with gas and have it run for a little bit longer. All right, so we're just gonna rip the bowl off here, top of the carburetor off, and fill it with gas. Fill the bowl up with gas at least. We're gonna unplug the fuel line because there could be garbage in the tank. And we don't want to suck it up.
There's definitely garbage in it.
Yeah,
There was no cap on it.
Yeah, there was no cap on it, so we don't want to suck water or anything in there. Fill that up with fuel, and it should run for a little bit, a little bit longer than we could run off starter fluid. So fill that up. It'll probably run for 30 seconds or something, and then we can see if it is healthy. But it sounded pretty good from just starter fluid. So let's rip into this thing.
Yeah, what are the odds the accelerator pump works?
4.
Does it? Probably likely.
I don't know.
Alright, here. At the
You should, if you could probably just fire it up. Alrighty. Fire in the hole.
Not good, but definitely running on the not only. Hey, is that low pressure?
I don't know. I don't think his gauges work.
Oh, well, that means it's got overpressure.
See if the key works.